authorization. Ah, I'm gonna crash lane. C lane. That's why I apologize. Dude, what the hell?
What the hell?
Drugs, bad guys.
That'd be funny if we get like in a wreck and lose on YouTube.
That wouldn't really be fun.
Yeah, it would for the other people, not for us.
It'd never get on YouTube because you'd get in a wreck.
Yeah, but I'd save the phone. Oh, what's that floating thing up in the sky? Just kidding. That's on the window. What is that right there?
UFO, it's just like.
Oh my gosh.
Bug.
Dude, it's a UFO. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my.
They're invading. Dude.
Video the strawberries. Here's the random strawberry. Oh my gosh, random strawberry.